Hi, my name is CJ Unleashed 7084, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper wallet. Okay, I'm going to show you all the slots. Here's 1, 2, and by the way, it's 4 slots. Three. By the way, that was a Disney card. And 5. Okay. Put that in. Show up the slots. And if you want to put in money, there's a little slot. Oops. Right here. To do that, you have to, hold on, I have to put this on the charger. Oh, so to do that, you have to tape these two ends, and I will teach how to do that at the end. So let's get started. Okay. For right here, you have to have 1 sheet of paper. I already started this part because that was the hard part for me because I only have 1 hand. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to okay, so put it this way. You fold it like that. You fold it again. Okay, so fold it. You take that out. You fold it like that. Do it on the other side. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take this end of the corner right here, and you want to fold it to like, let me see, fold it a little bit. Okay, just here, thanks. You'll want to fold it like this. Turn it around. Fold it again. Hold on for a second. Okay. So, after that, hold on. Aaron, stop. Right. After that, you'll want to unfold it and then keep it like this. So you're going to have to put this, so fold this end down over here. And do it on the other side. And then flip it again and do it on the other side. Here, just look at the wall while I'm doing this. Oh, look at the sky. So do it, flip it, and then do it again. Okay, you have a shape looking like this. Sorry, it's kind of bad right now. So you have a shape looking like this. What you want to do is you want to fold it, make sure it's good and creased. Crease this part. Turn it. And then you want to turn it around. Get a card. Put it in the middle. And fold it. So you will need something. Something is any kind of card. Ooh, Disneyland card. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Let's get the card. Put it so in the middle. Okay, here, I'll show you. Look at the sky again. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. So what you wanna do is do it on the other side. This way, you'll have to make it either this side or this side bigger than the other side. Okay, so look here on the wall. Look up again. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. What I'm gonna do is just get this out. And then what you wanna do, oops, upside down. What you wanna do is take this end, open this part, and you want to, if you guys are little, you might have a hard time with this. Little kids are little, you might have a hard time with this. And then, well, yeah, you know what it's like. And I colored it again, exactly the same. Alright, so now, if you wanted to have a just money through here, right here, you have to take all the stuff out. Take all the stuff out. What you want to do is, I don't have any tape, but I did this before. Get any kind of tape, duct tape, any tape, and you put it on the side until, like, you can put it from the tape from the end from right here to the end right here, and this will only hold no coins, only dollars, or it can get the whole length of this side and like put it on the side and do it again. Okay, so that's the end. Bye.